Hi, I'm Daniel and today I'm going to show you what's new in the version 2 of the Metal Fab SketchUp extension. There are a few changes in the library. So when we open the library, we can now search only, make the filter for the library profiles. So let's say we would like to see only round profiles. So when we change profile type to round, we see only round profiles. Also, every column has function to sort it, so we can sort it ascending and descending direction. So like this. Also, there are few new columns in the table, but I will show you later what's the new data. One is bar length, material type, and weight and price. When you work with bill of material, you can now sort every table there. So I have two buttons here. I can sort with length in one direction and a different direction. I can also sort with length of the pipes, with the number and the instance name, and also when I go to the cut optimization, I can also sort them like this. There is a change in bar length. So till now it was work like that. You could set only one bar length for all bars, but now in the settings there is a setting default bar length, and also every profile can have its own bar length. So I draw some profiles, round profiles, with diameter 100 to 200 and 300. So when I go to the library and place here the profile prefix, I can see that those three pipes has different bar length. So I can edit it, but in this case, let's make it like that. So pipe with 100 millimeters has length now 9,000 millimeters. Pipe with diameter 200 millimeters, the bar length is 10,000 millimeters, and there is no set parameter for pipe 300 millimeters. So it means that for this pipe, the default pipe bar length will be taken. So in this case, when I go when I make the BOM list and go to the nesting, I can see on the list that every pipe has own bar length. So in this case, the smallest pipe has 9,000, the middle one has 10,000 as we set in the library, and for the biggest pipe where there is no set bar length, the default parameter is taken, so it's 12,000 millimeters. From this version, you can also set the weight and the price for every profile. So when I open the library, let's see only pipes, and let's edit this pipe. So now I can set the material. So it's stainless steel. I can choose between many different materials: carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum. So when I select material, there is also density put there, and based on this setting, the weight based on 1 meter length is calculated. I can always change it a little bit if I know exact how much this profile weight, but every time I change the material, for example, let's change to carbon steel, I can see the calculated weight of it. Let's leave the stainless steel, and let's adjust this. This weight is calculated from the density of the material and from the real shape of the profile. So for pipe is of course exact dimension. So this weight will be very precise, let's say. But if you draw some kind of different profile, let's say H-beam, and you do not make the roundings on the corners, so the shape is a little bit different. This weight could be a little bit different from the real value. So you can estimate this weight like this, or you can adjust this value by hand. When also you can set the price for 1 kilogram. For example, is maybe half of the euro. Because also in the setting there is now there is currency. So in this moment currency is euro, and weight presentation unit is a kilogram per 1 meter, and also there is no, at the moment it's only unit, and also cost presentation is per 1 kilogram. If you need me to add additional units like LBS or I don't know, different units, let me know, send me an email so I could make it. At this moment it's only like that. So I set the weight and the cost for the material, and I save it. Yes, so let's back to this let's back to this profile. No, let's make it like this. So now I can see that there is a material, there is a weight, and there is a price. And when I draw this profile, let's draw a few of them. Yeah, and later when I make the bill of materials, you can see that there is a weight for every part you draw. So for example, this one, the biggest one, the biggest pipe I draw is 4.3 kilograms. And for example, the smallest one, this one is 1 kilogram. Yeah, yes. But also at the end of the BOM, bill of material, there is a summary of the bars you need to buy. So for this particular bar, which is the full length 12,000 millimeters, and you need to buy one piece of it to cut those parts. This whole bar will weight 25 kilograms, and there is a price show it, and the cost of it is 12 euro. And at the end you can get overall weight and overall cost of it. In this case, this weight and cost, it's overall 4 bars you need to purchase to make this project. There is no, at the moment, there is no weight, real weight of model of parts you draw, and there is no cost for only for the parts you draw, but for overall bars you need to purchase for that. If you need more detailed information, let me know, send me an email. And the last new feature is related to bill of material. So few users ask me to make it possible to make bill of materials not for all project but for part of the project. So when you don't select anything in the model and press bomb button, there is information that the selection is empty, and the bill of material will be created for all the model. So we have list, all of the pipes objects are selected. I can change it, it's not important. And now we can see the bill of materials for all objects in the model, but I can select only few of them. So when I select only those pipes, the smallest one, and I press bill of material, I get only a list of those selected parts. Also, it works when you grouped those objects, when you nest them. So let's make group one group, and in this group I made next group, and in this group there are a few pipes. So when I don't select any of them and press the bomb button, I will also get all of them listed. When I select let's see 15. So when I select only this big group, I should get 12 objects, because there is inside 12 objects, and it's okay, it's proper. Also I can select this one and this one, and I will get proper amount of pipes. Those were all new features in the newest version of the Metal Fab. Please let me know what do you think about that. Send me any feedback about this extension, and also please share with me maybe you have any other needs related to this extension. Let me know so I could make it.